All right, so if you know anything about me and you watch any of my YouTube videos, I love my food. So today I got a real good location for you in Hako that you've got to go check out. So Sunny's is amazing. They do wonderful bowls. You have to go by and taste it for yourself. I'm going to post a lot of pictures for you and a couple of the menus that is there, but it does no justice for what food actually tastes like. So you gotta go check it out, and tell them Glenn sent you to taste the food. They have a wonderful hotel you can stay at there if you are looking for someplace to stay. But today we're talking about the food and the juices, and they got dessert. So